Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to make Radha Krishna in Warli Art Style. Let's start. To make Radha Krishna ji, I have taken one MDF board. It's 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter. I have drawn this basic drawing and we will be painting and drawing it now. So for this, I have given a blue color base. You can give any color you want. So because it's very dark surface, so I will draw the basic lines first. Warli borders are very simple. Everything is geometrical. I'm drawing triangles. Okay. So our upper part is ready. We have to do more work in the border. So I'm drawing one more triangle here. This particular design will go on all the four sides. I'm going to draw the Krishna ji. So for Krishna ji, I have taken this bottle and I have drawn a circle. Okay, so you can take anything according to size of your paper or board, whatever you have. You can give any design, whatever you like, but it has to be lines and triangles. Only for feather we have shown a curve or for the border. I also want to show a crescent moon here. If you are doing on the light color, you can show the sun. Warli sun I have drawn in lots of videos. It's not ordinary sun. It will be either a spiral sun or one line big, one line small. In tribal art, they make like this. Little different from pure Warli. We will give second coat also because this will dry. On the moon also we have to give third coat. Crown also will give coat. Now I am going to draw some branches of the tree here. With this, our painting is complete. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing Vandana's art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.